In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a lost Slack channel. If a channel you rely on seems to have disappeared, don't worry, there are a couple of straightforward checks that usually bring it back. We'll start with the most common scenario and then cover what to do if that doesn't solve it. First, it's possible the channel was archived. Archived channels don't show up in your regular list, but they're still there and can be revived. Use Slack's search bar and type the exact channel name if you know it, or part of the name if you're not sure. In the results, look for the channel with the archived indicator. Click into it to open the channel's details view. From there, open the channel settings. This is often accessed by clicking the channel name at the top, and look for the option that says Unarchive this channel. Select that, confirm if prompted, and give Slack a moment to refresh. If you have the right permissions, the channel will immediately return to your sidebar and behave like any active channel. If you don't see the Unarchive option, there are two likely reasons. One, the channel might not actually be archived. It could be hidden by your sidebar preferences. Two, your workspace role may not have permission to unarchive. In that case, you'll need help from a workspace owner or admin. That isn't a new step here. It's just a quick explanation of why the option might be missing. If unarchiving isn't available or doesn't bring the channel back, the channel might be deleted or simply hidden from your view. Start by checking your Slack preferences. Open Preferences, then review your sidebar settings to make sure you aren't filtering conversations too aggressively. If your sidebar is set to show only unread or recent conversations, you may not see everything you're a member of. Adjust it so all conversations are visible, and then search again. Also, if you previously left the channel, search for it and rejoin. Sometimes it feels lost when it's just not pinned to your sidebar. Finally, if the channel was truly deleted or its content needs to be recovered beyond what Slack currently displays, you'll need to rely on your organization's data retention approach. Some teams use third-party backup services that can restore messages and files. If your workspace uses one, follow your internal process to request a restoration. Keep in mind that access and recovery options depend on your workspace's policies and who manages backups. That's the process. Try unarchiving, confirm your preferences aren't hiding conversations, and if needed, use your approved backup solution for data restoration.